Hey Raju, we are thieves, right? And if we get caught while stealing stuff, then people do not spend any cost. Wherever they find, they beat us very badly. Whatever they get hold of, they beat with it. They really don't care where they are hunting us. They just beat non-stop. They don't think about anything and just beat left, right and center.
You know what? Nowadays it is even scary to move out to steal. Looking at the wounds of our face, anyone would come to know that we are thieves.
You know something? It's my childhood dream to become a thief. And due to these wounds, I am not able to fulfill my dream.
Hey, I have a great idea. We can become big thieves.
No more ideas. If we get caught, people will again beat us.
If we want to steal, we should do a big robbery. We need to become like Veerappan. And now we should steal sandalwood.
In our village, there are no sandalwood trees. We have papaya, banana and banyan trees here. And it's not something that we can make furniture out of it.
No. I am talking about only sandalwood.
Sandalwood?
But frankly speaking, I haven't seen sandalwood yet.
If you haven't seen it, then how will we identify?
We shall find only at one place. And that is in the jungle to Rampur.
No, I am really afraid. If people come to know about it, they will rip us apart.
No. Don't worry. This time we shall steal in a new style.
If we steal in a new style, so people will also beat in a new style.
Hey, first listen to me carefully.
Oh.
First, we will go to the jungle of Rampur and we shall make a foolproof plan. We will create a story that there is a man-eater animal in the jungle. And after that, no one will come to the jungle out of fear. And we shall cut all the trees. We shall clear the entire jungle.
Oh. Hey Raju, if you were so clever and if you would have made this plan earlier, then we wouldn't have so many wounds on our face.
Hey, do you know that yesterday 3 people went to the jungle and they met a dangerous animal who ate the liver of one of the 3 men and the other 2 somehow managed to save their lives. And in the jungle, his clothes and shoes were found and nothing else was found there.
If this is the case, then how will we be safe here? And if we do not go to the jungle, then from where will we get the wood? And how will we cook our food?
Hey Jagya, there is a problem in our village.
Is it? What kind of problem? What are you talking about? Hey, what is this? Say quickly whatever you want to say. I need to go.
I have heard that there is an animal in the jungle who eats the liver of human being.
Oh, okay. I'll quickly tell my family as well, so that no one comes out of the house.
Dad, I will just go to Sukuta's house and get the notes.
Hey, wait, Gaura, wait. Don't go anywhere from the house. A ferocious animal has come in the jungle and he eats liver of human beings. Liver. No one is moving out of the house now.
Dad, have you seen it?
I have not seen, but I have heard. I've heard from my own ears. Villagers were talking about it.
Okay, Dad. I will not go out then.
Everyone is at home. Then who's banging the door? Will it be that animal who eats liver? Suruma, place all the weapons from the house near the door. I think that animal has come and he's banging the door. Suruma, are you listening or no?
Uncle, me.
Hey, me means who?
Uncle, you are Ranka uncle, Gaura's father.
Hey, who are you?
Uncle, it's me, Sukuta.
Hey, Sukuta, you. Are you not at all worried about your life?
Hey Sukuta, my dad was saying that there is an animal in the jungle who eats the liver of a man. Hey Gaura, while I was coming, even I heard 2 people talking about it. Let it be Sukuta. Let's go and study. If we do not complete our studies, then Hathi sir will beat us again. Sure Gaura, let's go and study.
Hey Sukuta, I don't feel like studying, bro. Since childhood, we are just studying and studying. Hey, what are you talking, bro? If we do not study, then how will we grow in life? Come what may, we have to study. Alright. Hey Sukuta, did you also see the same thing that I saw? Hey Gaura, this is not that animal who eats liver. Hey Sukuta, don't get afraid. Look at me. I am not afraid. Come on, let's go and look from the window. Let's go. Come on. You know what? This is the same man whom I saw talking to someone about the liver-eating animal. He was asking others to be at home. Then where is he going and why? Hey Sukuta, do you know what it means? There is something wrong here. Hey Gaura, it's not just something. It seems everything is wrong here. Come, let's go behind him and check.
You did a good job by spreading the news in the village that there is a liver-eating animal in the jungle. Did that man come who is going to take the wood?
Yes, the vehicle is here and the wood is also loaded in the same. Hey Sukuta, do you know what it means? This is a false news that they are spreading in order to steal our wood. Hey Sukuta, I am not going to spare them. Go and call all the villagers. Go. Hey Sukuta, I'll keep a watch on them. Go and call all the villagers. Sure buddy, I'll go right away and call all the villagers. Hey, you guys are liars. You guys made a false story and you are stealing the wood of our jungle here. I will not spare you guys. I will not spare you. I definitely will not spare you.
Oh, so now these small kids will threaten us.
What did you say? Kids, now just wait and watch what I do.
What to do now?
Will you steal again? Will you steal again? Say, will you steal again?
No,
yes,
not.
We'll never steal
never
again in life.
Again.
We'll
We
never
can
steal.
never steal
Leave
again.
us. Hey, where are you running? Wait. Now villagers will show you how to steal. Wait. Rai Dada.
Hey, what's wrong with you? What's the matter? What's wrong?
Boss, it was really difficult. It was very difficult. I somehow managed to run away from there. Police has caught Jaggi. Police has caught Jaggi.
Hey, what are you saying? What's wrong? Don't you worry. I know many people here. I will ensure that Jaggi is out of jail. But tell me one thing. How did the villagers got to know about all this? How did all this happen?
Boss, there is one boy in the village. His name is Gaura. Not sure how he got to know about this. He ruined our entire plan.
What did you say? Gaura. Oh, this boy is very smart. He also had caught the chain thief the other day. My name is Don. Hey Gaura, I will not leave you. I will rip you apart. You have ruined everything. You took away all my business and I will not leave you. You just wait and watch. I will not spare you.
Hey friends, this episode is from the Chief Minister series. If you like the video, then do like it, share your comments and share the video. Also like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye. Have a great day.